Okay, so let's look at this video. All right, so this is your first trip going to Benin. Do you remember the feeling?
Oh,
yes, it's recording.
Recording. You faked me.
Okay, so what was your feeling? First feelings, emotions before?
Well, this is not an interview right now, man. Why are you interviewing me?
So
we're just looking at photos.
So it doesn't matter. We don't have that beforehand information.
Okay, but we can always put it in. Come on, let's just do these videos, comment on these videos, and that's it.
No, we're here already. Let's just do it.
No, let's do this. What we planned it out to do. You right here making up some stuff now. Oh, we doing an intro. No, we comment on these videos. So let's comment on these videos.
Huh? So everything is packed? I look, you don't even have a purse.
Why you have a purse?
Because there's a lot of stuff that I had to pack.
You know how mom is. Can't say no. You know you can't say no to my mom.
She can't say no. You can't say no to your mama.
No. She's like, but you can still put that stuff. She's like, you could still put that stuff in.
Do you want something?
Bro.
Getting the rundown before he takes care of our dog.
We do have a dog, Baton.
His very first long flight trip. We took a really short flight to Vegas before, but this is his first international flight, and he's super excited. As you can see, he's messing with these suitcases. He actually tried to get in a suitcase. And he did. He fit in.
We was gonna smuggle him in.
We don't want to pay his lap seat ticket.
Some people tried to do that before.
Yeah, well. Yeah, I got a little tummy there. I was pregnant with our second child.
Second. That's my man right there. He loves zippers. He likes zipping it up.
You need to get that 50 cent.
This was a really crazy day. Like the night before our flight, this was probably, I think, like 11 o'clock in the morning.
Was that? Yeah, it was. Yeah.
So there goes the first time we're getting him to say that word. Africa, Africa.
That's one.
Well, it will be one.
You know that. Our luggage.
That's like our carry-on, actually. We had so much luggage. We took advantage. So when you fly internationally to Benin, we're flying out from LA, actually. That's where we live. So we fly out of LAX, but you get two 50-pound bags each ticket. So I had two 50-pound bags. He had two 50-pound bags. So that's 200 pounds between the both of us. My mom was trying to,
it's not like we was.
It wasn't even all of our stuff.
Like
we bring so much stuff back for our family. We definitely take advantage of the two 50-pound bag rule. We max it all the way out.
Black man taking his family. See, Shayna, she has to get things corrected because she has traveled before.
This is not my first rodeo going to Benin. I've been there plenty of times before. This is my husband and my son's very first time, so I just really want to make sure our tickets are correct because I had a really bad time with ticketing from here to Vegas with just me and my son. So, yeah.
Make sure you got everything.
They were the ones that made it. It wasn't a mistake. It just
Get it correct. Get it correct.
It wasn't a mistake. Okay.
So it wasn't showing at all.
You're going to do your job today.
Shayna Femi is here. We're going to Benin.
So, but my concern is security.
Security, okay.
Security be like, where's the ticket for this child? You're not about to bring no human onto a plane and you don't have no ticket.
Crazy.
Where you going, Ludo?
Second time.
Hey, that's another one. Count him.
Where you going, man?
Count him.
Ask him again.
That's my little man right there.
Okay, bye, love you.
We're going to the
I'm
motherland.
talking to my mom who's already in Cotonou at that
Hey,
time.
Flora. See you soon. Is it hot out there right now?
A little bit my ass.
Mom, you don't even want to know how many fans he bought us. I left them there. I said, we're not bringing fans.
My dad bought us like 4 fans.
Seriously.
I was like, and look, and you can charge your phone on there too. It comes in real handy.
Alright, bye.
Love you too. Ludo, where you going?
Where are we going?
No, I was going to stop it.
Ludo, where you going?
Number 3, where are you
Number
going?
3.
You know how to say Africa.
All right, we're boarding the plane from LAX to ATL.
It's getting real. Look, we